welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Wendalyn Lynette and welcome to the channel. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any of it in the future. Okay, so now today we are continuing on with the series. I'm just making it a series, y'all. It was supposed to be part 1 through 3, but it didn't happen that way. So I'm making it a series, y'all. So in today's video, we are going to be mostly doing cleanup and prep. So right here, I am planting flowers, not just for the backyard, but for just around the yard, porch areas. But I'm just going to take y'all along to watch everything. Right here, y'all, we are spraying down the whole yard, porches, backyard, front yard, garage, everywhere with this pesticide. This stuff is so good. It does not have a smell. I'm going to put a picture, if I can find one, in the video to let you know what it is. I'm actually going to link it as well in the description. I got it from Amazon. It is amazing, y'all. Trust me on this. Trust. I live out in the country near all those woods. Y'all can see in that background. So y'all know we are inundated with mosquitoes and other different kind of bugs. When I tell y'all, we sprayed this and within a day or two, we just saw bugs coming from everywhere laid out. Y'all hear me? And just to explain, we decided to spray first because we knew that all the bugs were going to come out and die, and then we would have to clean it up. So we didn't want to do a cleanup and then have to come back and clean up the bugs. So that's why we did it that way first. But this is the chemical right here that we use. Like I said, I will link it in the description below. Okay, y'all, so the kitchen rental sent me back big time. Out here is atrocious still. A junky hot mess. So it's gonna be a backyard makeover part 4. Because this part 3 is not gonna be the end. So we are, hold on. This is happening tomorrow. So we already got the material, because not only we have this area and section, Steven, this is his project. He wants this section here to be a pergola, to have a pergola over it. So all of this stuff is going. Yeah, this is gonna get dig up too, because this is gonna extend to the end of the porch door. Okay guys, so since we cannot do anything with the backyard at this moment because they're building out there, we're just taking this time to clean up the indoor patio and the garage area, and this is what the rest of this video is going to be about. Basically getting all this wiped down, sprayed out, refreshed, and then by the time this is done, we'll be able to move on to the backyard. So Steven and our son moved out all of everything out of the garage and pressure washed it. So now I'm just basically going to be wiping down some of the stuff that was inside of the garage, just so we can put it back in nice and clean. Okay, you guys, right here, this Steven is spraying the pesticides again. And just so you are aware of the timeline, the first time he sprayed, that was almost a month ago. So just so you can have context, the first time of spraying the pesticide was a month prior to us spraying the second time. So that's just how long we've been trying to get everything cleaned up, y'all. So it's already over and done with, so I'm so happy, but I'm just taking y'all through the motions. So everything has been washed down, clean, and I'm just taking the time to wipe down certain other things inside the garage that couldn't be removed, and Steven is moving some of the stuff back in. I can get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now, but we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall. So after the cleanup, I just wanted to show you guys some of the progress, what's going on in the back with the pergola. It is so beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to show you, but let's see the beginning stages first. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away, drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze. Thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next installment of the Backyard Makeover series. It's coming soon. Thanks. Bye. See y'all next time.
Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want water all my hoes. Oh, you want a